Are you tired of feeling overwhelmed by social media management while watching your competitors effortlessly thrive online? What if I told you there are powerful tools available that won't break the bank and can transform your social media game overnight? Stick around because in the next few minutes, you'll discover the top budget-friendly social media management tools that can save you time and skyrocket your engagement. Missing out could mean leaving money on the table. Step 1. Identify your core social media needs. Understanding what you truly need from your social media management tools is crucial for your success. Start by asking yourself, what are the specific goals you want to achieve? Do you need something to help schedule posts, analyze your performance, or curate content from various sources? It's essential to identify these features up front because they will shape your overall strategy. For instance, if consistency in posting is a priority, look for tools that offer robust scheduling features. This way, your audience stays engaged without you needing to be glued to your screen all day. On the other hand, if deep insights into your audience's behavior are what you seek, you'll want a tool with strong analytics capabilities to help you track engagement and fine-tune your approach. Consider your brand's goals and prioritize what matters most to achieve them. With a clear understanding of your needs, you can choose a social media management tool that feels tailor-made for your business. So think about it. What features do you think will have the most impact on your social media strategy? Don't forget to subscribe for more great content. Are you struggling to find the right niche, understand affiliate marketing, or simply drive traffic to your site? I'm here with Profit Pulse, your essential guide to overcoming the challenges of affiliate marketing. From choosing profitable niches that spark your passion to mastering SEO and creating high-quality content, Profit Pulse provides actionable insights and strategies tailored for both beginners and seasoned marketers. Stop feeling overwhelmed by technical skills or compliance issues. Navigate the complexities of affiliate marketing with our expert advice and start scaling your business effectively. Don't miss out on elevating your affiliate marketing game. Visit digmarketing101.com/newsletter. Subscribe to Profit Pulse today and turn those affiliate marketing challenges into achievements. Let's grow your business together. Step 2 is all about researching and comparing affordable social media management tools. This is where the fun begins. Let's explore some popular options like Buffer, Hootsuite, and Later. Each of these tools comes with its unique set of features that can suit different needs, so it's essential to see how they stack up against each other. Start with Buffer. Known for its user-friendly interface, Buffer allows you to schedule posts across multiple platforms with ease. It also provides analytics to gauge your content's performance. But don't just look at the initial pricing. Consider what features you can access at that price. Does it fit your needs for analytics or team collaboration? Then there's Hootsuite. This tool offers a comprehensive dashboard, allowing you to manage all your social media accounts in one place. While it may be a bit pricier than Buffer, you'll have access to robust analytics and monitoring capabilities, which can be a game changer if tracking engagement is crucial for your brand. Next up is Later. It shines when it comes to visual content planning, particularly for platforms like Instagram. If your focus is on creating a visually appealing presence, Later provides features that can help with media management and post scheduling. Spend some time digging into user reviews for each tool. These insights can reveal the practical pros and cons from real users' experiences. Don't forget to compare their pricing structures. Some offer free plans that could be perfect as a starting point. Ultimately, the goal is to find a tool that aligns with your specific needs without stretching your budget too thin. Have you already tried any of these tools? What features are you most excited about finding? Step 3. After selecting the right tools for your social media management, it's time to integrate them seamlessly into your workflow. Think of this as laying down the foundation for your success. Start by incorporating each tool into your daily routine. Set aside time for scheduling posts, engaging with followers, and analyzing performance metrics. The aim here is to streamline your processes so that using these tools feels natural rather than a chore. Next, regularly evaluate how each tool performs in relation to your goals. Are your posts reaching the intended audience? Are engagement rates improving? Most platforms offer analytics that provide valuable insights. Dive into these reports and don't hesitate to make adjustments based on what you discover. For instance, if you notice that one type of content resonates more with your audience, consider focusing your efforts there. Optimization is a continuous journey. As trends shift and your audience evolve, your strategies must adapt. Think of it this way: what worked last month may not yield the same results now. So keep a close eye on your tool's capabilities and be ready to pivot your approach. Large savings can also come from tweaking your strategy to avoid unnecessary expenditures while maximizing your tool's efficiency. Lastly, engage with your audience about their preferences and behaviors. This feedback can guide your adjustments and ensure that you're meeting their needs effectively. What challenges have you faced when implementing new tools, and how did you overcome them?